So hi! Welcome and welcome back sa my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GOEXTRA199 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And then dito guys, ida-dial lang natin is asterisk 140, number sign or hashtag, and then call. So after naman yan guys, is may magpa-pop up na option. So ang pipiliin natin dito is yung number 3, which is yung Go Extra. So ita-type natin is number 3, then send. So ayan guys, dito naman ang pipiliin natin is yung number 2. So yung Go Extra 199. So type lang natin yung number 2 and then send. Ayan guys, sabi dito is kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Go Extra 199, makakakuha tayo ng 8GB for all sites na data plus only all net calls and also plus only all net text. So valid na yan siya guys for 15 days. So good for 199 pesos lang. So para ma-register tayo guys or ma-subscribe natin yung Go Extra 199, ita-type lang natin is number 1 to subscribe and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Extra 199 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day